Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On the other hand, I will give to all of you who need a watermark remover application in photos or videos. It's quite easy to open the hitpaw watermark remove application, double-click on the application, then we start from removing the watermark in the photo. We select Remove Image Watermark, select Choose File, then select the photo that you want to remove the watermark, select Shoot Filling, draw a square circle, then remove now, it's finished. Just export the result. The watermark in the photo has been removed. For videos, there is no difference. Choose Remove Video Watermark, choose File, search for the video and then look for the watermark. In the example video. For the Hanora logo, we place a square in the Hanora logo, and then the remover export is complete. We wait for the process to finish. We will see if the Hanora logo will be deleted in the video. The result is good.
We wait for the process to finish. We will see if the Hanora logo will be deleted in the video. The result is good.